Welcome guys, Cream Boss back again with another reaction video. Check out Zerimar Evil Eyes. This is a new audio video from Zerimar, the Trinidad artist. I reacted to COVID-19 and I called the dude Zerimar, something like that, or Zemar, so I pronounced his name wrong. So we're gonna check out this new tune and see what's going on, because that COVID-19 tune was fire, bruh. Fire. It was sick as hell. I'm not gonna lie, it was sick. One of the best, and funny enough it's named COVID-19, but one of the best songs I've heard from Trinidad dancehall so far.
Young this man from Trinidad, Barbados need Sometimes I wonder, God would forgive me for the things I did. I know I'm not perfect and it's not worth it. As long as I'm living, it's not drilling. Sometimes I wonder, He would forgive me for all of my sins. Responsible for all the killings. Big casket fame down in a lens. We have gun, we got doof dog, we got roof. Tell a little pussy wall, put away them dose. God that can't save you when the East man them rise. The thing me turn like a Rima bush down in a me heart where evil lie.
What's the Rima? Rima in Trinidad? Yo, honest to God, guys. Alright, but I'm not gonna say anything, bro. I'm just gonna listen. God that can't save you when the East man them rise. The thing me turn like a Rima bush down in a me heart where evil lie. Evil fingers and evil eye. If you deceive, well enough people die. Bullet longer than KFC fries. And we have heard of them. Nobody never heard of them. Torture the raper boy. I bet him never touch a... Yeah, that torture the raper boy. I bet him never touch the next child. Let him say.
I go again famous and dead looking face fancy and then we no fear people, no people fear we when we rise up the Walter and the M16.
6 months.
People, no people fear we. Yeah. Guns, girls, and money we are well stuck. Boy, better watch your head.
Hey.
Boy, could have come first place in Olympic race when they made the gun crack. They kill them just up in a all black. Kick long your
all black.
Knock. Somebody ask Alexander, RTV6, cause the tape him beyond that. No, me I go murder the big rat. On social media,
must have murder the big rat. He's not talking about a rodent, people. He's not talking about the sewer creature. He's talking about the informer.
Style and me take them lyrics question. What style you got? Like the boy have some screws lock. Boy, your head top can't screw back. I mean, not the line, me hear some of your song. Them little boy deserve 2 clap.
Wait, they must sing this off somebody? He must this someone writing in this song then. More than likely, he must this someone in that song, yeah. This song. The Trini and the Bayesian, them are linked. Just dancing with black.
So little boy give the jockey to jock. Cause he's how we from and we have it love. We have fun, we got doof dog, we got
doof. Yo, what the fuck gonna go doof dog, yo, doof. And man, now talk about the animal, bro. Man, talk about the steel.
Evil fingers and
evil and it.
If you deceive, you will not fancy and
Murder them. Murder them. Torture the rape about them. Yo. Alright guys, that's the end of the reaction video to Zerimar. Red Eyes. Yo, this song was evil, bro. It definitely have a right to call it Evil Eyes. I wonder if it's actually a diss tune, because he's mentioning an ex-artist say he copied that artist, and the man say, yo dude, your style lame, why would I want to copy your style? Really. So I don't know if it's like a diss tune or what, but it's fire, bro. Sick.